sum of the exterior angles, each and every important key points, sum of the exterior angles, sum of the exterior angles in convex polygon, sum of the exterior angles in convex polygon, it is always 360 degrees. Sum of the exterior angles in a convex polygon is 360 degrees. Extremely important key point. Sum of the exterior angles, it is 360. It is not dependent on number of sides. Whether it is a triangle, quadrilateral, hexagon, it is not dependent on number of sides. It is not dependent on number of sides. Sum of the exterior angle in a convex polygon, it is always 360 degrees. Sir, why it is 360? Simple proof. Let me take a triangle. Angle A, angle B, angle C. Angle A, angle B, angle C. At these vertex, I am extending this line. At these vertex, I am extending this line. At these vertex, I am extending this line. Now see here, this is an interior angle, it is an exterior angle. This is E1. This is an interior angle, it is an exterior angle, E2. This is an interior angle, it is an exterior angle, E3. E3. If you observe closely from here, right, suppose here it is starting, it is going like this, again it is coming like this, again it is flowing like this, it is forming a circle. Wherever I am starting, I am coming back to the starting point. What is the total angle in a circle? What is the total angle in a circle? 360 degrees. Sum of the exterior angles in a convex polygon of n sides, it is always 360 degrees. It is always 360 degrees. Another way of looking at it is, here it is angle A. This will be 180 minus angle A. Here it is angle B. Here it is 180, okay, if it is C, because I called it as C, this will be 180 minus angle C. I denoted the vertices. It is 180 minus angle C. 180 minus angle A, 180 minus angle B. I hope it is clear. I denoted it as C. So 180 minus angle C, 180 minus angle A, 180 minus angle B. If I add it, 180 minus angle A, sum right, 180 minus angle A, 180 minus angle B, 180 minus angle C. So this will be 540 minus of A plus B plus C. Sum of three angles in a triangle is 180. 540 minus 180 is 360. Sum of three angles in a triangle is always 180 degrees. Sum of the exterior angles in a convex polygon, it is always 360 degrees. One way is, it is C. Suppose I am here. I am making a complete circle. Complete circle. Total angle in a circle is 360 degrees. C 180 minus angle C. A 180 minus angle A. B 180 minus angle B. Sum 180 minus angle A plus 180 minus angle B plus 180 minus angle C. 540 minus 180. It is 360 degrees. Sum of the exterior angles in a convex polygon, it is always 360 degrees. This third point. Total this question uses 4 key points. Another one. If A1, A2, A3, if they are in arithmetic progression, A1, A2, A3 or A4, A5 and so on, if they are in arithmetic progression, if you subtract it with minus, still they will be in arithmetic progression. If you add 180, still they will be in arithmetic progression. 180 minus A1, 180 minus A2, 180 minus A3. Still they will be in arithmetic progression. Progression does not change. Progression does not change. For example, 1, 3, 5, 7. 1, 3, 5, 7. Difference is 2. They are in arithmetic progression. 2, 2, 2, 2. Difference. If I subtract it with minus, minus 1, minus 3, minus 5, minus 7. This is 2, this is 2, this is 2. Again the difference is in arithmetic progression. 180 minus 1, 180 minus 3. Not only 180, any value, sir. I am using 180 because I want to correlate with interior and exterior. It is 179, 177, 175, 173. It is in arithmetic progression. These difference is also same. That means for interior plus exterior is 180. Interior plus exterior is 180. If interior angles are in AP, very, very important points. If interior angles are in arithmetic progression, 180 minus I1, which is E1, 180 minus I2, which is E2, 180 minus I3, which is E3, E1, E2, E3, they are also in arithmetic progression. If interior angles are in arithmetic progression, if interior angles are in arithmetic progression, exterior angles are also in arithmetic progression. Convex polygon, what are the important key points with respect to convex polygon? In a convex polygon, every interior angle is less than 180 degrees. First key point. Second key point, interior angle plus exterior angle, sum will be 180 degrees in a convex polygon. Second key point. Third key point, sum of the exterior angles in a convex polygon, it is always 180 degrees. Third key point. Fourth, if interior are in arithmetic progression, exterior also will be in